Hi, Chris McGinnis here with Fine & Country, and thank you for joining me once again. Today we are on the edge of the historic village of Les Canets, and from this beautiful house built in the 1950s, we have panoramas that are to die for, ranging from the Lérène Islands over here above my right shoulder, over towards Tanneron and the Esterels here to the left. Welcome to Villa Mille Étoiles. We're in the heart of Les Canets. You probably have just been to the Musée Bonnard. Walking into this house, you've got everything that you need. A laundry room, open plan kitchen with bar, dining, and behind me here, living. We've got a secondary living area as well, but we have the most amazing panoramic views with the Souquet right there in the distance. It's the perfect place to watch the summer fireworks series in the Ville de Cannes. This is the main living level of this property. Upstairs we've got 2 bedrooms that share 1 bathroom. We've got 2 bedrooms downstairs. We'll have a look at that in a little bit because you've got to see this space out here. We've got dining for 6. We've got a heater above, so it's the perfect place in wintertime as well. And the most magnificent panoramas, which if you come and have a look here with me, you can see some of the iconic spots here from the Ile de Lorraine and the fort where Louis was imprisoned with his iron mask, all the way across the bay with the Souquet in the middle, Cap Rouge and the rest of the Esterel in the distance. This is the best spot of the house. The views are absolutely jaw-dropping. Now on this main living level, we've got options because we can pass directly here into an outdoor lounge and pool or into this space, which the current owners are using as office. However, it's set up in such a way that behind this door, we've got a bathroom suite. So if one day you'd like to have this as a 5th bedroom, that's totally within the wheelhouse of this home's options. So we've got outdoor heating for al fresco dining off-season. Inside, we've got reversible heating and air conditioning throughout this property. Interior dining for 6. And here, let's go check out this kitchen. We're not going to have a look at the laundry room and pantry area, but this kitchen has tons of space for entertaining, preparing food. We've got Siemens appliances. And outside, we're going to go check out, we've got an outdoor barbecue space, as well as another shaded dining area here, poolside. This swimming pool has an overflow feature. It's mosaic tiled. We've got a little oasis here in downtown Les Canets, just 10 minutes walk from the sandy beaches of the Croisette. So I'm just walking down from the pool area here, and this ping pong table and play space is located directly above a 3-car garage. You're standing on the landing of the master bedroom level, which is directly below the main living space. We're going to go have a look at both of these bedrooms. The master to start, which is right here. Please have a look. The master bedroom has its master ensuite bathroom adjacent. Beautiful windows that get so much natural light. And on the other side, we're going to walk on through and check out bedroom number 4, which today is used as a music studio of sorts. This room also has its own bathroom behind door number 2. So upstairs, we've got 2 bedrooms, and this staircase that joins these 2 levels wasn't here before the current owners took possession of this property. Before, this was only attic space, and now we've got 2 bedrooms, bathroom, toilet, as well as additional storage space, bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. Book a visit as soon as you can. I can't wait to hear from you. Let me know what you think. Once you finish this video, drop us a comment, a question, and get in touch as soon as you can. Thanks a lot. Chris McGinnis here with Fine & Country, French Riviera and Provence.